Welcome to our Laswell's model of communication lesson. I am Engine Cadet Binarao from Wallenius Marine. Laswell's model of communication insights. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the components of Laswell's model of communication, recognize the importance of clear communication in daily life, apply the model to real shipboard scenarios, and enhance safety and efficiency through effective communication. Let's dive into the essential components of communication. Understanding each part of Laswell's model is crucial for effective communication. Define each component: communicator, message, medium, receiver, and effect. Communicator: the individual or entity that initiates and delivers the information. Message: the content or information being conveyed by the communicator. Medium: the channel or method used to transmit the message. For example, email, speech, and text. Receiver: the individual or group that interprets and processes the message. Effect: the impact or outcome of the message on the receiver, such as understanding, emotions, or actions. Real-life shipboard scenario: you need to inform the engine room crew about routine checks on the auxiliary engine. How do you proceed? Your actions should be: communicate clearly and ensure understanding. Now let's recap what you learned. Laswell's model is essential for effective communication in maritime operations. Clear communication contributes to safety and operational efficiency. Please apply Laswell's model in your daily life interactions. Let's enhance our communication. Thank you for participating in our lesson on Laswell's model of communication.